Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 GMC Acadia SLT all-wheel drive. This vehicle is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 mated to the 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SLT1 with the black package. You get the black GMC bow tie in the front as well as the black rims. This vehicle, being an SLT, does come very nicely equipped. You do have your cruise control buttons on one side and your audio controls on the other side of your leather wrapped steering wheel, an 8-inch LED touchscreen for your navigation as well as your audio and climate controls, driver's side heated seats, passenger side heated seats, dual USB outlets and a 12-volt outlet. You have your traction control button and your automatic shifter as well as your terrain select button. This vehicle can be put into front wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. You have your race mode and your off-road mode as well as your trailering package mode. It does have parking sensors as well. Give you an extra hand when you're backing up. On the exterior of this Acadia, you do notice a 20-inch wheel and tire package as well as the color-matched rear bumper and front bumper. You do have your chrome dual exhaust system as well and the black GMC badging on the rear. In the rear of this 7-seater SUV, you do notice the black leather captain's chairs as well as the climate control in the center console. You have dual USB outlets and a wall plug as well. This vehicle is equipped with the third row, seats 3 more. Now all the 5 seats in the rear do fold down so you can make the back of your SUV a truck bed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video of the 2019 GMC Acadia SLT all-wheel drive. Hope to see you in the showroom soon down at GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.